Music is a divine gift. It transcends all barriers. It heals, it stimulates, and it is extremely therapeutic. Beethoven said, "Music is a higher revelation than even wisdom in any philosophy. It is the electrical soil within which the spirit lives, thinks, and invents." And if music be the food of love, said Shakespeare, play on. You've got the music going night and day. FM is ready for you in the morning or late at night. Whoa, you gotta let the music play. AIR FM stereo. AIR FM stereo. AIR FM stereo. All the time on All India Radio. How many of you know that I've really sung this jingle? No one. Okay, there we go. All these years and still nobody knows. No problem. I'll live with that. In the summer of 97, I said, okay, ab bahut ho gaya hai. I took this trip to Mumbai city, the city of dreams, for the very first time. And I went straight to the HMV office, hoping to get an audition or at least a meeting with them or something like that. And I took this demo tape, audio tape, which I had, with all my jingles that I'd sung till then. And I walked in there super confident and super dreamy, of course. And I said, I just want to be signed on by you guys. They asked me why so hell-bent on us. And then I told them the little story which came from my heart. Ever since I was a little girl, when I was in kindergarten, I happened to be a part of this quiz in my class. And they asked me, there was this dog barking into a gramophone. And they asked me, what does this HMV stand for? Can anyone tell us? Yeah, okay, that's exactly what I said when I was that tiny tot I was. And I got a prize and a medal and whatnot. And I said, wow, HMV. So HMV got imprinted in my being. I nurtured the dream of being an HMV artist ever since I was that little. And in the summer of 97, when I was like 17 years old, I've told you my age now, but that's okay, I'll live with that also. I went and auditioned with so much implicit confidence and faith. God knows where it came from. I guess all those years of nurturing that dream. A week later, I got a call from HMV and they said, hey, we've selected you for this album and we're flying you to Chennai and you're recording with us. I said, whoa, victory. And before I proceed with my next one, I'm going to sing Ho Gayi Hai Mohabbat for all of you. Can we have the track? Yeah. This is nostalgia for me, absolutely. Everyone please clap along. हो गई है मोहब्बत तुमसे, आई पलकों में ख्वाब बन के रह गए सर आँखों पर, बड़े है एहसान तुमसे, दिल में किया जो बसर हो, मिल गई है अमानत And that year, in the year of 1998, I got all the awards possible for the song. The Channel V Award, which is like the biggest music award those days. Best New Album, Best Video, Best New Artist, Best New Song, etc., etc. And I was absolutely euphoric. I was on, seventh heaven. And a year just passed by. Incidentally, I had signed a 3-album deal with the music company, and I was raring to go with my next album. And each time I would call them up and ask them, so when are we starting work on the next one? There is some time yet. And it just so happened that a year went by and no album. And for 3 years, I was just bound with the music company without any album at all. And 2 years down the line, I met this filmmaker called Shashank Ghosh. And he was in the process of making a film called Waisa Bhi Hota Hai Part 2. And I played him one of my tracks, which I had composed and sung. And he said, I love this song and I really want to feature this in my film. The song is called Sajna Abhi Ja, which stands to be my greatest and the biggest hit for me till date. And I thank those 2 years of lull where I had nothing to do and making all those songs and music. So sometimes when you're in a low, it is actually a high. It's the way you look at it. And Sajna Abhi Ja actually saw my debut in Bollywood, not just as a singer, but as a composer. And I'm going to sing the song for you all. But before that, just keeping in mind that I tread the forbidden path. A woman who's a singer, composer, plays the guitar. Very fascinating for some people, but a little unacceptable for some others. So which I will tell you after I've performed the song. If you all want. I want this to be interactive. Bindiya mehndi kangna chudi jhumar gehna pyase pyase nehna sune pade tere bina bindiya mehndi kangna chudi jhumar gehna pyase pyase nehna sune pade tere bina nahi lagta tere bina dil mera This song was very integral to my life because it also saw the advent of the singer being shown on the silver screen for the very first time. I mean, up till then, I mean, one used to really hear of all the lovely playback singers and their voices, but they were not recognized faces because you never really saw them. But Shashank Ghosh had the courage to actually, show the singer on screen and reveal that, okay, this is the voice, this is the face behind that voice. With Zinda, I tried something very different. It was a very dark song, but it had a very mystical energy about it. Maut sharminda सब जिंदा है, हवा कफन है, सांसें दफन है, हवा कफन है, सांसें दफन है, मिट्टी मिट्टी है, जिंदा हूँ मैं किसके लिए? Yes, I'm alive. जिंदा हूँ मैं किसके लिए? Yes, I'm alive. Thank you. I think after some time you really feel that you have to get out of your own being and do something unto others and give back to the society what they've given you. It just so happened, 26th November 2009, Mumbai was under siege suddenly. The Taj and the Oberoi Hotel, I'm sure you've heard, all of you know about the tragic, horrific terror attacks which happened. A very, very close friend of mine was held captive in Taj. Very popular food critic, Sabina Sehgal, who happened to be a very integral part of my life because she used to really tell me how to, address the media, how to do my media communications, my PR skills. I really, 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 really owe a lot to her. We prayed for her, somehow she should escape, but 3 days we were in touch with her on SMS until we received her very last SMS, which just said, the terrorists are outside my door. And then we never heard from her. Her death really shook me. That's when I realized that, oh my gosh, this could have happened to any one of us, to me, just anyone. I wrote a song called Alvida, which was a tribute to all those innocent lives that we lost. चली जाऊं बदन से जुदा, मुफ्त में लुट गए ऐ खुदा, अलविदा अलविदा अलविदा। Once you get that awakening, and then you feel there are so many, you start seeing many more things around you which are going wrong, and then you really want to do something about it. I joined Campaign Against Drunken Driving, and I spoke a lot about it. And the whole idea is, you go to a party, you enjoy, make merry, drink, but get a designated driver and go back home safe. And then I said, the best way to spread this message is through a song. What say? So don't drink and drive. Stay alive. Don't drink and drive. Just stay alive. It's not fun, it's not cool, it's a karam of a fool. It's not funny, it's not right, it's a criminal's respite. Don't drink and drive. Just stay alive. Don't drink and drive. Just stay alive. Let's save lives here. Let's not drink and drive. Hands up, please, if you all believe in me, believe in this. Thank you so much. So, I just felt that music with a meaning is so much more beautiful. I mean, sending messages through your song, it's lovely. It's just most fulfilling. And apart from all the commercial hits and everything, which is also very, very important, but I think this is what really lends the beauty to the gift that God has given us. I'd like to just go ahead and say, before I conclude this talk, that my mantra would be, just enjoy the journey and don't worry about the destination. A song that is very uplifting, I wrote and composed for women empowerment. Because for the longest time, I did feel that challenge where there were comments where I heard about, you're a woman, why are you composing, etc., etc. And this is nothing but seeing women getting downtrodden in other ways. And so I had to write a song, and this song is a jubilant song. It celebrates the fact that I'm a woman. सदियों से लिखती आई खूबसूरत कहानी आँखों में भरे कई सपनों के रंग आसमानी A dreamer and achiever, that's who I am. I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is my story. I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is my story. I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is my story. I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is my story. I'm a woman, I'm a woman. Excitement भरा मेरा आज है, सर पे खुशियों का ताज है, जब चाहे चले मर्जी मेरी, दुनिया को मुझ पे नाज है. I reach for the stars, I die for the birds. Nothing is impossible for us girls. Whenever I want, I turn on my charm. और नज़ाकत भी थोड़ी थोड़ी. I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is woman, I'm a girl, this is my story. I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is my story. I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is my story. ज़माने को हर पल नया कुछ मैं देखा हूँ, ये दिल भी जो चाहे वो करके मैं दिखाऊँ. It's been a while, quite a journey too. It's been a while, quite a journey too. This is how Thank you. Thank you.